Thank you so much for continuing to stay home. Today we will be making our Improv Bean Stew. It's called Improv because I just took some things that were in my cupboard and was inspired to make the stew. Enjoy! For today's recipe, I will be using onions, carrots, fresh oregano, thyme, and basil, garlic, and sun-dried tomatoes. You can use whatever dried or canned beans or lentils that you have on hand. Either one works great. For today's recipe, I will be using a 5-bean medley along with some lentils to thicken the stew. So this is the finished product of my bean stew. It's actually so delicious. You can't even tell that there's no meat in it, and it's incredible. I will be making this again. Please be sure to comment below on how yours turned out, and please share and like this video.